In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw in Adobe Express. Now to do this, first on Home tab, you want to go to the plus button top left and you want to click on it. And then from here, you want to go to Create, and in the top right, you want to type in Draw, okay? Just like this. And you want to click on Drawing over here, and you can just click on this button over here. It's going to open up a new project, which is going to be your drawing project, and you'll notice that by default, it's going to look a bit different than the normal ones you are used to. So this one over here on the left is going to have, yes, some templates, but of course you also have brushes, erasers, fill buttons, images, etc. Okay? That's because this is now drawing mode. You're on a drawing canvas and you can use this to draw. So the first thing I'm going to cover here is basically symmetry. You can add symmetry on or off. So what this does here, if you actually enable it, you can go and basically draw on one side and it's going to go to the other one as well. So just like this, as you can see, of course you have symmetry depending on which one you select to have, which is quite nice if that's something you want to do. Then you can of course also have the option to change the background color. You can change it to whatever you want. You could also do like gradients or of course kind of custom colors over here, stuff like that. That's completely up to you. And then of course you also have this coloring mode, which allows you to, as you can see, stay within the lines. So if you have like any lines over here, it's going to allow you to do that as well. And then over here top right, you have kind of the zoom and then the erase all button as well. On the top left, you have your brush. You have, of course, different brushes here, which you can select. I'm just going to pick like a random one over here. Let's just go with this soft round brush over here. I'm gonna make it this grayish color. And of course, you can change your size over here. You can change kind of the filtering down here of which one you want. And then you can go and start drawing. Okay, so as you can see, I'm now drawing something. There we go. And if I were to continue this, I can, but if that's it, I can just click on coloring mode, and then I can go and basically try coloring, and you'll see that I'm going to actually stay within the lines if the lines are very distinct, okay? So that's kind of the first thing you can do in here. You could also go to this eraser, which of course is going to erase things. So if I draw on here, I'm going to go to eraser, and then I'm just going to go erase this. There we go. As you can see, quite cool as well. Of course, it's better to kind of have it a bit bigger if you want to erase a lot. And then you have the fill button, which is going to fill different areas depending on, of course, how you've drawn them. So if I go to this one over here and do it like that, for example, and if I want to fill this, I can do it super simply by going to fill, picking the color, click it in here, and it's going to fill just like this. And then we have templates, that I showed you already over here. There's a bunch of templates you can use, and you also have images where you can upload them, or here you can also go and generate coloring pages if you simply want to be just coloring, okay? So that's how to draw on Adobe Express. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.